Today, July 20th, the heaviest rain in history hit the Chinese city of Zhengzhou, Henan Province. In just an hour, 200 millimeters of precipitation fell. The average annual rainfall in Zhengzhou is about 600 millimeters. What is happening there now looks like the apocalypse. The whole city is flooded with water, cars are floating along the streets. Residents of the city climbed trees and waited for rescue. The subway cars are flooded, the passengers are helpless. Houses and walls collapsed and several bridges were washed away. More than 20 dead, many are missing, hundreds are trapped, the damage is enormous.